Emily, I can't hear you. What? Say it again. I can't hear you. You have to do it louder. Ooh. Oh, I can see your tonsils. Yeah. Your tonsils are sticking out saying, hello, Auntie Len.
Hi.
How are you? How are you?
Careful.
Hello, Auntie Len. Say, hello, Auntie Len. Say, hello, Amanda. I love you. No, you're supposed to say, oh, I love you. No, I love you.